Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Today's story is called A Daughter's Wish. Kavya sat on the edge of her bed, holding an old photograph in her hands. The picture was faded, but she could still make out the face of a young woman holding a baby. It was the only link she had to her birth mother, whom she had been separated from at the age of 2. Now 25 and about to be married, Kavya's heart was a whirlwind of emotions. Her adoptive parents, Asha and Rajesh, had been loving and supportive throughout her life, and they adored her fiancé Rohan. But as her wedding day approached, she felt a deep longing to reconnect with her roots, to find the woman who had given her life. I want her to be a part of my wedding, Kavya confided to Rohan one evening. I want you to meet her. I need to meet her. Rohan nodded, taking her hands in his. Then let's find her together. The search. Kavya had little to go on. The adoption papers mentioned a small village in Madhya Pradesh, and the photograph bore the name Savita on the back. With her parents' blessing and Rohan by her side, Kavya set out on a journey to find her birth mother. Their first stop was a village mentioned in the papers. The narrow lanes were alive with sounds of children playing and vendors selling their wares. Kavya asked around, showing the photograph to the older residents. An elderly woman finally recognized the face in the picture. Savita, she lived here years ago. She left suddenly after her husband passed away. I heard she moved to Indore for work. Though the lead was vague, it gave Kavya hope. In Indore, Kavya and Rohan visited local NGOs and women's shelters asking if anyone knew of Savita. After days of searching, they met Sunita, a social worker who remembered her. Yes, Savita stayed here for a few years, Sunita said. She worked tirelessly to provide for her daughter. But one day she told us she couldn't care for her anymore. She was heartbroken when she had to give her up for adoption. After that, she left to work as a housekeeper for a family in Bhopal. Kavya's heart ached hearing this, but she was determined to keep searching. A reunion. In Bhopal, they finally found the house where Savita worked. The current owners informed that Savita had retired and now lived in a small rented room nearby. Kavya's hands trembled as she approached the modest home. An older woman opened the door. Her face was weathered with time, but her eyes were the same as the one in the photograph. Kavya didn't need any confirmation. She knew this was her mother. Savita ji, she said softly, her voice breaking. The woman's eyes widened as she saw the photograph in Kavya's hands. Who are you? I am Kavya, your daughter. Tears streamed down Savita's face as she pulled Kavya into a tight embrace. I prayed for this day, she whispered. I thought I'd never see you again. Meeting Rohan. Over the next few days, Kavya and Savita spent hours talking, sharing stories and filling in the gaps of their lives. Savita learned about Kavya's childhood, her adoptive parents and her upcoming wedding. I want you to meet Rohan, Kavya said one evening. He's the man I'm going to marry and he's been with me every step of this journey. When Rohan arrived, he greeted Savita with warmth and respect. It is an honor to meet you, he said. Kavya speaks so highly of you. Savita's eyes glistened with emotion. Thank you for taking care of her and for helping her find me. The wedding. Kavya's wedding was a celebration of love, family and reunion. Her adoptive parents and Savita shared the front row, their smiles reflecting the joy of the day. During the ceremony, Kavya looked at both sets of parents and felt an overwhelming sense of gratitude. She had been blessed with two families, one that raised her and one that gave her life. As she took Rohan's hand and vowed to begin a new chapter, she knew that her past and present had come together in a way that was truly magical. That evening, under the fairy lights, Savita held Kavya's hand and said, "I may have lost you once, but today I feel I have gained you back. Thank you for making me a part of your life again." Kavya smiled, her heart full. "You never lost me, Ma. You have always been a part of me, and now you will always be a part of my future." Thank you for listening to us. We hope you like this emotional story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.